This tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the Mother's Day Mom watercolor template. On the right hand side, you've got all of your layers, and you can simply add the optional text to this by turning on or off your various layers with the sayings. So I'll leave it as Happy Mother's Day. The next section down is the letters themselves. So it's got the M on the right, the O, and the M on the left. This is pretty quick and easy to use. So I've already got a couple other images opened up in Photoshop. So what I'm going to do is take this image here, and I'm simply going to drag it using the Move tool and drop it into my template. Now you can see it's over the entire thing. That layer is right there, layer 1. So if I want this to go into, for example, the O, I just drag it down so that it's directly above the O. So there's my image layer above the O. I right click on it and I hit Create Clipping Mask. And there you can see that it's put it inside that O and nothing else. You can still use your Move tool to reposition the image, and you can use Control T, which is the transform tool, if you want to resize it. So you can still do that once it's inside. Apply those changes, and then same thing, I'll just take this image quickly and I will drag it and drop it into the template. And there it is once again. So that M is the left M. So I'm going to drag it down so that it's directly over top of the left M. Right click, Create Clipping Mask. There you can see that it's gone inside. I can resize it and move it as I need. So I'm going to shrink this down quite a bit and try and place them off to the side where I can see them. Just like that. And then your final one you'd also do for the other M as well. So you'd place it above the M on the right, create the clipping mask, and that should work for you. Another option is to use an image. So I'm going to drag this one back in and put it into the background. So I've got this image in. Another option is to use a similar image to what you're using and clip it to the text layer as well, the Mother's Day layer. So if I hit Create Clipping Mask, all it does is kind of color the text and the little dots, the water dots around the text to kind of match what your images look like. So once again, you can move it around as you need. So you can click on that layer, and you have to click on the actual thing, but you can move it around so that it colors it how you want using different parts of the image. So that's all there is to using this Mom or the other version of it, the Mum version. It's simply using clipping masks. Hope that helps.